Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got 2025 Ram 3500 Limited. This is the new 6.7 Cummins with the 8-speed transmission. You know, I've been putting some miles on a shop truck, been driving the customers' trucks, and man, Dodge is in the game now. The suspension on this truck is our new 3-inch kit. What's cool about this is we have our new radius arms, and we're pushing the axle forward about an inch. What that's going to do is give us clearance to provide for these 37-inch Toyos. The kit comes with our Raptor tuned shocks and our steering stabilizer kit up front, and the ride on these trucks are amazing. So this customer wanted this truck blacked out, so we got rid of the red on the heavy duty, did the Cummins logo. You know, the only thing really on the truck that's not blacked out is our Kelderman logo. We also did some silver badges back here behind the Kelderman Circle K and the script on the front radius arm. So the rear suspension is actually our stock height. The airbag has a working range, from about 7 to 9 inches where you get a comfortable ride. So we're running the airbag at the top end of that range. What that does is by getting the front end up with the 3-inch, we got a level truck, and that's what we need when you're still trying to, sneak this underneath your fifth wheel or your gooseneck. The rear suspension is our 4-link design. We got a large sway bar because, obviously dualies, guys are gonna be hauling heavy loads, and we got our Raptor shocks that are tuned to give us the most optimum ride. So the wheel tire combination, we have Toyo 37 by 13.5 by 24. These are the open country trail RTs. And we have the JTX forged 24-inch rims, really high quality. We've been using more and more of these JTX forged wheels. And then the spike lug nut covers are from True Spike. Our 3H mount, we mount up here where the factory sunglass case went. We take that out, we put our 3D printed piece in here. As you can see, what's cool is, you got all your pressures here. So if I want to hit this bottom button, that's going to dump. So this is the button right underneath the airlift, and that's showing what's going to happen where those triangles are. So now, I've only got like 18, 17 PSI in the rear. Now when I hit this airlift button, which is the factory, it's going to show where the green lights are. That means it's going to go right back up to ride height. So if I hit this bottom button, it's going to show that it's going to dump all the air out. If I hit this button, it's going to show that it's going to raise the back end up. Set the trailer jack, then I'd come back here, hit that button, it's going to drop the air out. So very versatile setup, and also shows, my compressor's running. So got 124 PSI, 125. That's going to shut off when it gets to 149. Yeah, so we got Andre here. Andre's from Wichita, Kansas. Big fan of Kelderman's, found us on YouTube. And, just like we're doing a video right now, we're trying to, real world, real people. And, we're building cool stuff. Andre's, was a truck driver for how long?
Almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years. So this guy knows, the value of air ride suspension. So, that's what turned him on, being familiar with how air ride works. And he did the research, watched our videos, and, chose us to build his dream truck.
Yes, sir. Appreciate everything that you guys done. It's beautiful. It rides immaculate. I love it. It's almost like, just reminds me of when I was driving trucks. So
absolutely.
I got my own personal truck now.
Yeah, absolutely. But man, Andre, he's gonna be heading back to Wichita today, and I bet you he's gonna be smiling the whole way. He's gonna be
I'm already smiling.
How many buddies you want to call to meet you at your house when you get home and check this thing out?
All of them.
All right, man.
Yes,
I love it, buddy. All right, appreciate it. Yes, you saw here, Kelderman, man. We're building dream trucks all the time. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.